So LEAD is actually a program that is a leadership in energy and environmental design from the USGBC, which is the United States Green Building Council. It is a rating system that you can achieve by achieving certain level of points. The points that you can achieve are actually categorized in, I think it's about a half a dozen categories, and that includes the construction of the building, from the materials and how they construct it, the engineering, how it's designed. It also includes the environmental qualities in terms of what the pieces are for the interior design, whether they are created from recycled material or whatever. The experience of the workers in the building, their lighting, how much light comes in versus how much natural light versus how much is generated by the overhead lights, and some other innovative design efforts that we could achieve as well. The LEED certification process is very much a collaborative effort of all the people involved in building the building, from the contractor, architects, the owners, the engineers, that's the mechanical, the electrical, and the plumbing engineers, the civil engineers. Everyone needs to work together and cooperatively. There were 3 periods of submission to the USGBC. The first was design. That was before we even broke ground, in terms of were we able to, did it look like we were on track? And it was a good way, checks and balances along the way, for not only our dialogue about where we may want to put our dollars, the biggest bang for the buck in terms of the green considerations. So we did the design, and then we achieved some level of points there. Others were pending. Then there's the construction submission. So once we're underway, there were certain construction elements that needed to be proven. Then that was submitted, and then after we were in the building, there was actually the commissioning process. So while we moved into the building in October of 2010, we didn't actually receive the gold designation and complete the commissioning until May of 2011. It was important to us to actually achieve LEED certification and go through the process, which was time consuming and added a bit of a premium to the dollars that we were spending, but we really see ourselves as being held as an example in the community. And we knew that we would have a lot of people in the community coming through the building, and we wanted to be held in as an example.